Tired of digital clutter turning your workflow into a complete nightmare? Then buckle up, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to create Notion templates that will transform chaos into calm. We'll cover the core principles you need to design beautiful and functional templates for productivity, organization, and even seamless collaboration. First, open a new page in Notion. This is your blank canvas. Think about the specific problem you're trying to solve with your template. Is it for project management, meeting notes, or a daily planner? Defining your purpose is the crucial first step. Next, it's time to build the framework. Use the / command. That's to add essential blocks like databases, headings, and toggles. Databases are perfect for organizing information. Headings create structure, and toggles allow for collapsible sections to avoid overwhelming your users. Now, let's make this database dynamic. Add properties relevant to your template's purpose. For a project tracker, you might need status, due date, and assign to customize the property types to reflect the kind of data you'll be inputting. This helps with filtering and sorting later on. Populate your template with sample data. This gives users a clear idea of how the template is intended to be used and makes it more approachable. Remember, a template should be easy to understand at first glance. Ready to turn your creation into a reusable template? Simply create a template button block by typing template. Configure the button to duplicate all the elements you just designed into a new page whenever someone clicks on it. Finally, don't underestimate the power of good design. Use color, icons, and white space to create a visually appealing and user-friendly template. A well-designed template encourages engagement and makes users want to use it again and again. And that's it. You've just created your first Notion template. Now you can share it, sell it, or use it to conquer your own organizational challenges. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Notion tips and tricks. Now go create something amazing.